Welcome to Perfect Bite, and congratulations! You've just taken the first step towards improving your efficiency and profitability by selecting Perfect Bite as your practice management solution. Our philosophy is that high-quality software and excellent technical support do not have to be expensive, and here at Perfect Bite, we're making it a reality. The Perfect Bite trial is an actual working copy of the full-featured program with a 25 patient limit. Perfect Bite is fully compatible with all currently supported Microsoft operating systems. Perfect Bite's outstanding technical support and responsive development staff help set us apart from the competition. Perfect Bite is loaded with user-friendly and comprehensive features to meet your practice needs. Updates and technical support are free for the first year. Please view the following product overview and you'll agree it's the perfect choice for your office. Quality products, quality support. It's simple. Welcome to Perfect Bite. This product overview will take you on a brief tour of our most commonly used features to get acquainted with the software. Please feel free to contact Perfect Bite's friendly support staff for more information on any of our user-friendly features. The Perfect Bite main screen has a simple layout. Patients are listed at the top and their corresponding visits at the bottom. The task pane on the left of the screen allows you access to program options with ease. You can expand and contract these options as desired. Additional menu selections at the top of the screen give you access to billing options where you can print insurance forms, continuation of treatment forms, statements, electronic claims, or batch large insurance checks in a batch mode. You can also select actions for highlighted patient to access documents, medical conditions, notes, pictures, prescriptions, recalls, scan a document or image. This also launches any Twain-compatible devices, and treatment plans for the selected patient. The main screen also displays any recall information and next appointment information for the patient selected. Before you begin using Perfect Bite, you should visit the General Settings and My Settings options and select Default Settings to help streamline your data entry and make all your tasks more efficient. In the My Settings area, you can set preferences by station and user, such as General Preferences, Printer Preferences, Default Settings, and interfacing options. Perfect Bite currently interfaces with Dolphin Imaging and VistaDent. General Settings contains master lists that can be used throughout the program to streamline your data entry. This is where you would create lists of commonly used data, such as insurance companies and CDT codes. You can set administrative defaults, such as your master password, default data fields, default messages for recalls, walkouts, and statements, for instance. Add your company logo to print on recall cards and photo composites. Set up security clearance by user to restrict access or allow access to certain areas or functions of the program. Access your scheduler setup and set up electronic claims if you purchase this option. You can also create custom documents, such as new patient welcome letters and custom payment plan contracts. Create a letter in the word processing module, which allows you to insert data tokens where needed. Once the letter is created and selected for a patient, fields will automatically be completed with the selected patient information or payment plan information. Once you've completed your default settings, you can enter patients and visits with ease. To enter a new patient in Perfect Bite, click Add Patient in the left side of the screen in the task pane. We'll enter into an existing patient so you can see what one looks like already completed. Simply highlight the name and double-click. From the patient information screen, you can enter general patient information, add primary and secondary billing parties, and store insurance information for the patient. You can enter multiple carriers, including primary, secondary, and tertiary as applicable. A summary of this information shows on the right of the screen for easy access. You can enter patient employer or school information and a 30-character note to display on the main screen. You can also set up defaults for the patient, including current status. The Miscellaneous tab allows you to store additional employer information and authorization to bill credit card monthly. The task pane on the left of the screen gives you access to prescriptions, treatment plans, notes, recalls, medical conditions, and extra contacts for this patient, as well as storing, viewing, and printing photos for the selected patient. You can also print a welcome packet from the patient information screen. Click OK to save your changes. To enter a visit for a patient, highlight the patient at the top and click Add Visit in the left side of the screen in the task pane. We'll go into an existing visit, which appears below. Highlight the visit and double-click. You'll notice that most of the information has already come forward from patient information or my default settings, and a preview of the patient information shows in the upper left side of the screen. Click Add Item to add charges. You'll see I've already entered a charge for comprehensive orthodontic treatment. You can also add charges from a treatment plan or from a CDT group. Highlight your group and select to bring forward all the charges for a particular group. Once charges are added, you can create a payment plan for this patient and designate payment plan start date and number of payments. With the payment plan created, you can now print dot matrix or laser payment plan coupons or a payment plan contract that you can customize and will be pre-filled with all of the patient payment plan information. You can also create a continuation of treatment plan for the insurance company, designating the insurance company and responsibility, number of payments, and start date. With the continuation of treatment plan created, you can now print continuation of treatment forms individually or in a batch mode from billing. You can add payments for the patient, the insurance company, transfer a balance, or get a previous credit from another visit. You can also print a walkout receipt or a triple receipt. The triple receipt shows an appointment card, receipt of any payments made, and a school or work excuse. You can also print an ADA form. No pre-printed forms necessary. Perfect Bite supports all current ADA form types, including the CMS 1500. You can also add notes from the visit screen, including patient notes, visit notes, treatment notes, or notes for a specific procedure. Click OK to save the visit information. You can preview an overview of this patient in the Easy View section, located in the task pane on the left side of the screen. The Easy View gives you a single point of access for viewing and printing information on a selected patient. From here, you can access the patient overview, which displays general patient information, including current payment plan balance, treatment progress, patient notes, and access to any allergies or medical conditions. You can view and print patient demographics, account balance, access patients' recalls, view and print the patient ledger, and access prescriptions for this patient. You can also access the patient's photos, where you can print the composite or store and add additional photos. You can also view patients' future appointments and appointment history, and launch your external imaging interface. Perfect Bite currently interfaces with Dolphin Imaging and VistaDent. The Easy View section can also be accessed from the scheduler for quick reference to a selected patient. Click Close to exit the Easy View section. You can access various types of reports in Perfect Bite. Click Jump to Reports to access financial reports, patient reports, administrative reports, master list reports, and various charts and graphs. Click Close to return to the main screen. You can access our patient scheduler from the task pane on the main screen of Perfect Bite. Click Jump to Scheduler. The scheduler opens to the daily view. You can set up separate columns to represent your individual resources, different chairs, procedures, or assistants. The calendar above allows you to navigate to different dates with ease, displaying the number of patients for each day. The general patient information shows at the top, including any outstanding payment plan balance. You have various views for the scheduler, including daily, weekly, or by resources, as well as different options for selecting days. In addition, schedule reports can be printed in a variety of formats according to your individual preference. Our confirmation module makes it easy for you to view and confirm patients in advance on one simple screen. You can create appointment descriptions and apply colors. You can use color blocking to designate times on your scheduler for particular procedures or patient types. You can search for a particular patient or an opening and set reminders with alarms. Click on Reports to access the appointment day sheet. The appointment day sheet prints the patient's time, their name, insurance company, and balances, including balance due, and any notes for this patient. This is a great report to have up at the front desk for checkout, so that amount due now can be collected at the time of visit. You can change the status of any patient by highlighting them, right-clicking, and setting the status. Or you can launch the Easy View section from the scheduler. patient flow screen allows you to track patients from check-in to check-out and everything in between. This screen is excellent to have up in the back office and at the reception desk so that you can see who's waiting, how long, and what rooms are available or chairs. Colors change to alert you of time intervals. Use Jump to Perfect Bite to return to the main screen of Perfect Bite. This concludes the Perfect Bite program overview. Please feel free to contact technical support with any questions at 877-767-7007. Thank you for your interest in Perfect Bite.